Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. In today's video I will be testing out the Moroccanoil color depositing mask in the color Hibiscus. Now I've already shampooed my hair, I've towel dried it, and now I'm going to apply the color to my blonde ends. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. My hair feels so smooth and the dye smells like the original Moroccanoil treatment. The color is really vibrant and I definitely would use this again. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned for more beauty videos.